Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I just want to appreciate all my subscribers for staying tuned to the channel. Thank you all. And if you're new here, you're welcome. Today's video is long overdue. Let's just dive into it. Start by chopping into smaller pieces your washed and peeled vegetables. Then in a clean pot, add your vegetable oil. Allow to heat up and add your onions. Fry a little, then add your minced meat and add your spices and seasoning. Stir and allow to cook until meat is brown or well cooked. Then add your vegetables. Taste for salt and add water, usually to cover your vegetables. Add seasoning and salt if need be. Cover to cook until vegetables are soft. So while the sauce is cooking, let's make the dough. In a clean bowl, add your flour, nutmeg and salt. So I use a self-raising flour, so I'm not adding baking powder. But if you are using a plain flour, you should add baking powder at this stage. Mix well and add your butter. Then mix again until you have something like a breadcrumbs. Next, add your milk. And note, if you are using powder milk, you mix your powder milk with water. So I'll drop a detailed measurement of the ingredients in the description below. So check that out for measurement of all the ingredients used. So now mix and knead to form a dough and keep set aside. Make your egg wash and set aside. So let's check our sauce. I'll be adding this water and flour mix for thicken the sauce. So you could also use cornstarch and water. Just mix very well until smooth, no lumps. So as you can see, our vegetables are soft and the water is dry. Add the flour water mix to it and stir. Allow to simmer and bring down. So now let's make our pie. Enjoying this video so far, please take a moment to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. So just cut a handful of dough and roll out. Use your meat pie cutter. So if you don't have a meat pie cutter, you can use a round pot cover to get that round shape. Then you put your filling inside and close it. Then use your fork to pinch it together to close the meat pie properly. So sometimes I use my fork to also close even after using the meat pie cutter, just in case it didn't close well. The egg wash also serves as a binding agent to help stick the meat pies together, so I put it before closing the meat pie cutter. So I repeat the process until the pan is full. poke the meat pie with a fork, so that allows for even baking. Then use the egg wash to glaze the top of the meat pie and bake for about 20 minutes. I use a gas oven, so for 20 minutes in the gas mark 7, about 200 degrees. There you have it, your meat pies are ready, looking so lovely, golden brown and crispy. I can't explain the taste of this meat pie. You just need to give it a try and tell me what you think. I had some leftover dough and filling which I store in the freezer ready for use next time. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't.